In this section, we are going to add two directives that we need in our application for creating the pagination. So we will use a directive that is for range. We talk about this in the directive section. This is a structural directive, and also we will create an attributes directive that is going to be for highlighting elements in our list. So let's create in the folder common folder directives, and from there we need one directive for range dot directive ts, and the other directive highlight directive dot ts. So these are the two directives. We talk about these two directives in the attributes and structural directive videos. So this is just a recap. So sorry, I mistake here. So for the for range directive, this is a structural directive. We need to import directive, input, template ref, view, container ref, view, and embedded view ref from Angular core. This is going to be the selector of our directive. This is going to be in the HTML, and from there we have an input. This is a variable that we will specify from outside from our template, and every time that we change this value we will call render, and this will create in every iteration what is inside our template. We will see this in action later on, but keep in mind that this will iterate and create one template in every iteration. From the highlight, this is a attribute directive. It's a little bit longer, and we will have something like this. Our directive will use the app highlight selector. It will listen to mouse enter, mouse leave, mouse down, and mouse up, and we will call all these functions to change the background color of the element that is using the directive. It will receive a hover color property from outside and also an active color. We will see this in action once we create the templates in our component, and see you in the next videos.